I think everybody's done lost their mind. I am sitting here this evening watching YouTube videos, which is like a favorite pastime of mine. And I came across some videos about a new creator, content creator named Dodash. So I'm watching one person say she's a fake, she's a liar, she's a this, she's a that. She's acting like she's never made money on YouTube before, but in actual fact, she's been around this thing many times before. Then another one is saying, oh, she's so impressive, she's so funny, she just kind of came on the scene and went viral, boom, like that. I don't know what to believe. This is just insane. And I'm thinking, is this what I'm trying? What am I getting into with YouTube? Anyway, my point is this. Just do your thing. Hopefully, I'm doing it for the right reasons. The right reason for me is that I'm enjoying doing it. I'd love to make money doing it, of course. But at the rate I'm going, the money is a long way away. But this is hilarious. It's absolutely hilarious. I feel like I'm rambling because I am. But it's Sunday night. Today is, what is today? November the 10th, 2024. Tomorrow is a holiday here in Bermuda. I plan to get up November 11th holiday. Doesn't matter because I'm retired anyway. But because I didn't do any gardening work this weekend, didn't do any walk this weekend for my channel, I plan to do something for my channel tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Now that my little rambling rant is over. But it's hilarious. I came out here for a 6:46 a.m. sunrise out here at Fort Scour in Somerset, Bermuda. But unfortunately, a very, very cloudy day. So sunrise was not a sunrise at all. But nevertheless, I captured what I could, which is just a string of light showing through the dense clouds. So back home I go. It's a holiday today, so I should be good. I am about to resume all of my hedge trimming of the front hedge. This is the one that is on the south side of my property, but we're getting there, definitely. A couple of days ago, these were all buds, but look, over the past couple of days, this one here has bloomed. So what I'm going to do now is have some lunch, go to the dump, and when I get back, I am going to mow this lawn, this front section. Being careful not to mow all of my freesias that are coming, which they do every year. White and purpley colored freesias. So we'll see them around January or February. I think I'm pretty done with these particular tools for today because mowing is next. And all I need for that is the lawnmower. Okay, it's 3:30. I'm back from the dump. I still have energy. It isn't raining, and so I'm going to get the front lawn mowed today. This is going to be a really productive day. Just because I said it isn't raining, and now I feel sprinkles. My weed whacker is another piece of equipment that's usually very reliable, just like the lawnmower, unlike the hedge trimmer. So now I'm just going to clean up the edges here in the front yard, and I'm not sure what I'll do next. So I think that's enough for today. Made quite a bit of progress. Woo! Tomorrow I hope to get on the street side, the road side. But at least the lawn, front yard, is mowed and the hedges are trimmed and the edges are whacked as well. So yeah, and that's been swept up, as has the front door area swept up, weed whacked all along here. And yeah, this has been a very productive day. My house is smelling like Christmas this evening because Danielle gave me this candle, one of the experimental ones, earlier today. Danielle is my daughter, of course. She makes the candles, and this one is Fraser fir. So, oh my goodness, it just is divine. I know Christmas is coming fast, and I don't want it to, but this is definitely accelerating the feeling of Christmas, which I don't want to get into at all, at all, at all. I'm gonna fix a quick dinner, a chicken Caesar salad, which is my latest staple. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the night. I might though, since it's a holiday, I just might bake a couple of my cookies that I have in the freezer. We'll see. I think I deserve a little treat this evening. Here's my chicken Caesar salad with homemade Caesar dressing, as well as homemade croutons. Yeah, easy enough to do. And then over here, I have my chocolate chip cookie dough frozen. I'm gonna bake up 4, and we'll probably eat at least 2. But this is how I keep them. I make the dough, shape the dough, and freeze the dough in the little Ziploc bags for emergencies. They're baked already, but I may have overbaked them by a minute or 2. But they will still be delicious.